Will a robot take my job? It sounds like sci-fi, but it's already happening. Forget humanoid robots. It's software and smart algorithms quietly taking over tasks. Companies use AI for work people used to do, writing product descriptions, creating logos, analyzing data. The difference now? The speed. The jump to AI is happening much faster. We're living through a shift as big as the dawn of the internet. The people who adapt will thrive. It's time to find our place alongside this technology. What is AI? It's not just robots. It's the smart in your smartphone, the engine behind YouTube recommendations, Google Maps, and autocorrect. AI learns from data, recognizes patterns, and improves at tasks over time. Unlike old software, AI adapts and gets better on its own. We're not talking about one super intelligent machine, but many specialized tools, AIs for writing, design, finance, and more. The real impact? AI is automating specific tasks, not entire professions, at least not yet. The jobs most at risk are those with predictable, rule-based tasks, routine or creative. Content writing, data entry, and basic customer support are already being automated. AI can write articles, answer questions, and process data faster and cheaper than people. Even creative fields like basic graphic design and video editing are changing. AI can generate logos, social posts, and edit clips instantly. For businesses, good enough AI is often all they need. Entry-level and repetitive jobs are shrinking as AI becomes the more efficient tool. The trend is clear. If your work follows a template, it's vulnerable. But AI isn't perfect. Its writing can be bland, its designs generic. Still, it's improving fast. Recognizing which tasks are at risk is the first step to staying valuable. Adaptation is key. So what can't AI do? For all its power, AI lacks genuine human qualities, emotion, empathy, and trust. Jobs built on human connection, healthcare, teaching, therapy are safe. Would you want an AI to deliver life-changing news, or inspire a classroom, or help you through a crisis? Leadership is another human skill, motivating teams, resolving conflict, building culture. AI can provide data, but it can't inspire loyalty or navigate office politics. Skilled trades, plumbers, electricians, require hands-on problem-solving in unpredictable environments. AI can't match real-world dexterity or adapt on the fly. These roles, combining manual skill and critical thinking, are secure. The human touch remains our greatest asset. In a world of automation, our emotional intelligence is more valuable than ever. So how do we adapt and thrive? The biggest risk isn't AI, it's refusing to adapt. History shows those who learn new skills thrive, those who don't get left behind. The future isn't people versus AI. It's people who use AI outpacing those who don't. Use AI as a tool. Writers brainstorm, designers generate concepts, even tradespeople diagnose problems faster. New jobs are emerging. Prompt engineers, AI content managers, tech human bridges. The message: opportunity, not fear. Learn the key AI tools in your field. Build digital skills, content creation, marketing, data analysis. Focus on irreplaceable human skills, communication, critical thinking, empathy. The future belongs to the curious and adaptable. AI is just a tool. You're in control. Embrace the change. The next chapter of work is yours to write.